flipping. Oh, if I do this, let's see, fire.
A couple of days ago, we said we were going to make great potatoes, not great potatoes, great potatoes. And we are. Everyone knows in our house, Kirsten is the spud queen. Yep. So she's going to be taking over in a minute. She's got some cool tips, though, on things you can do to really elevate them to the point that you don't need gravy. Gravy would actually be like an insult to these. Obviously, we're not just having mashed potatoes for dinner, but I wanted to run through really quick what I decided to do so we can just skip to her part because that's what the focus is going to be. I thought, what better to go with some mashed potatoes tonight than smoking some pork chops. So I'm going to build like some kind of smoky rub for it with a base of chili powder and smoked paprika, but all these other things, brown sugar for caramelization, yada, yada, yada. Rub that on them, smoke them to 130, reverse sear them, finish them off to 145, pull them, rest them till it's time to eat. And then I think I'm going to make some sort of garlic butter herb sauce that we can drizzle over the top of those. And it might kind of complement the mashed potatoes as well. So that's my end of it. I'm not showing any of that. I'm just doing mine. We're showing Kirsten the whole way through. So watch out, fellas. Keep your ladies at arm's length. She's going to be on camera.
Oh my gosh. I'm the potato master. So today we're making the greatest potatoes. Behind me, I have started to boil a 5-pound bag of potatoes. Just started those. We are going to put in about 10 garlic cloves. We're putting in so many because it's a larger bag of potatoes. So we're going to dump those in to the boiling water. And once those are boiled and they come out, we are going to do something in a separate pan with some two cubes of butter, heavy cream, and these awesome spices down here. So it's going to, while we're waiting for the potatoes to finish, they're very close, we're gonna go ahead and get started on our milk. So what we have here is 1 cup of whole milk and a cup of heavy cream, which heavy cream is key for some good potatoes, mashed potatoes. 2 cubes of butter, and we're using 2 cubes because easily with a 5-pound bag, 2 cubes of butter. Sometimes we add more. And then we also have some cream cheese set aside and some parm. Over here, we have a half a teaspoon of crushed rosemary and basil leaves. That's going to go in our mixture. And pepper. And then we have a half a teaspoon of oregano leaves and some sage. And also some parsley. And then we are going to drop this dry basil leaf in the mixture as well.
It's a bay leaf.
Or bay leaf. Oh, sorry.
It's okay.
That's okay. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and get started in our pot over here with our milk mixture. Oh, I do have a ricer here. We're gonna get to that a little bit later, but ricing your potatoes is key to have some good mashed potatoes. One, it just takes so much less time rather than getting the mixer out and the hand masher. You don't even have to do that when you have a ricer. I'm telling you, if you don't have one, invest in one.
And then the cream cheese and the parm, they're not going in the mixture, right? They're going in.
Oh, sorry. Yeah, in the potatoes. And so what we're going to do is we're going to add our mixture in a little at a time to the potatoes, which we'll show you until we get to the right consistency, and then add the cream cheese and the parm as needed to, and we taste as we go along.
Okay, let's see you mix it.
All right. We ended up using everything that I had talked about previously for the 5-pound bag of potatoes. Like the mixture of everything was spot on. So And if you're looking for some delicious potatoes, especially something for around the holidays, this is a must. They are so amazing. The consistency, the flavor of the spices.
It's like an explosion, huh?
Like, I can't even explain it. You literally just have to make them.
Does it remind you of our first date?
Oh, yes. Yes. Oh, look at that, honey.
Perfectly cooked.
Man.
You're
This
welcome.
smells amazing, you guys. Oh my gosh.